6:30 a.m. Rise and shine. Another day of carrying the world, or at least this entire smart factory. I'm the AGV this place runs on. At Sinoboom's International Intelligent Manufacturing Park, it's all systems go, all the time. Left, right, safety first, delivery done. Perfect, as always. You're welcome, again. In a factory built on automation and smart systems, I'm the quiet partner, keeping it all flowing. I'm AI powered, so I can deal with the unexpected. Another box? Sure, why not? I'm just a smart, efficient machine with wheels. Precision docking? I'm so used to nailing it, even one miss feels like a shame. Mission complete? Oh wait, new task already. Deadlines, deliveries, endless routes. I'd want a coffee break. But here, in Sinoboom's fully automated world, the work keeps moving. And so do I. Shift's over. 90% efficiency, 100% commitment, unlimited job satisfaction. This intelligent manufacturing park runs on precision, and I am proud to be part of it.